In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a dumbbell chest fly, but we're going to be on a Swiss ball for this demonstration. Now, firstly, what's the point in this exercise? Well, it's a fantastic exercise to get a little bit of core, lower back and glutes involved into a chest exercise. So we're going to be working more muscle groups than if we was just flat on a bench. Now, if you've got heavy weights and you're doing this, you won't get away with just picking the weights up and then bringing them onto your knees. So if you've got really heavy dumbbells, what I would suggest doing is actually starting off in a standing position, picking up the weights with a straight back, and then coming into that position where you've got the dumbbells on your knees. I'm sat here, bang in the middle of the Swiss ball. Now you'll notice I'm side on, and that's because I'm going to be using this little bit of space because I need to walk out and bring my head and my upper back in contact with this Swiss ball. So what I'm going to do and how I do that is my elbows stay tucked into my sides. I'm going to walk my feet away from me until I've got my head and upper back on the Swiss ball. I'm trying to keep my hips up as high as possible here, so I'm squeezing my glutes. I can feel my glutes and hamstrings engaged to keep this position. Don't let the hips sag like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press directly up. I've got a palm facing each other position, so my palms are facing each other. And then in this position, the dumbbells are directly above my chest. Remember, it's a chest fly. We don't want to come into a shoulder position. And then from here, I'm going to bring the weights away from each other, away from the midline of my body. And as soon as I've got the elbow in line with my shoulder, I come back up to my start position. Now, of course, you're going to repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions before bringing the weights down, returning back into that upright position by walking your feet in, and then you've got that same start position that you started off with, and that way you're not having to throw the weights down either side. So that's how you do a chest fly on a Swiss ball, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.